Hello and welcome back. And you'll see from our surroundings that we are at the Brooklands Raceway, the oldest purpose-built raceway in the world. And we were here last year with Dad. If you want to click up here and see that video, take a little bit of a tour. But today we're doing something different. Today is American Car Day, and there's quite a turnout. So yeah, walk you around, check it out. We were hoping to come here today with the 58 Pontiac, Dad and I. But as you know, the DVLA has other ideas. So luckily, I have a backup American car that we can take. And yeah, we took a drive down today. Good fun. And here it is. So they have themed events here at Brooklands, and this is an annual event, the British, I want to say British Car Day. And yes, I am wearing a British Car Day hat because today is the 1st of September and the 3rd Sunday of September is British Car Day in Canada, organized by the Toronto Triumph Club at Burlock Park in Burlington, Oakville. Be sure to go check them out. But here we're at American Car Day at Brooklands. Pretty amazing location to have it. So, Dad, are you enjoying American Car Day?
Fantastic, absolutely fantastic.
It's a fantastic day as far as weather is concerned. It's a great location as well. All the history here at Brooklands.
I must sell my 2 MGs and buy 1 Corvette.
Right, you heard it here first on Automotive Grace. He'll be selling his 2 MGs to buy a Corvette. I fully support that decision. There's quite a variety of cars here. We've got, I call modern cars like the Pontiac Solstice, which has actually got quite a lot of attention. Quite a few people have talked to me about it and want to know more about it. And you got the whole 70s muscle cars, like the Plymouth Roadrunners and so on. And then you've got a good contingent of 60s, probably not so much 60s. Quite a few in the 50s, early 50s. Yeah, I guess something for everybody, if you like American cars. Oh, I've got quite a good spot here in the trees. You've got the lovely Brooklands Raceway in the background. Oh, what a great turnout. Fantastic American cars here. There's something particularly happy about an American car. The excess of it all, the size, the styling, you know, it's you just don't see American cars looking all the same. And yeah, it's a really fun event. It's the first time I've been, and I think I will definitely be back. Hopefully by next year this time, the 58 Pontiac will be on the road, and I think it'll make quite an impact. Interestingly, I have not seen another 58 Pontiac. The only other 58 Pontiac I've seen was at Goodwood last year at the Revival, where they had an estate 58. So definitely a rare thing. So thoughts on American Car Day at Brooklands?
Absolutely fantastic.
Fantastic.
I must get myself an American classic.
And next year, when you come back, who knows, the DVLA may have registered my 58.
Yeah,
And then we'll come in the 58. On the positive side, there's not a single 58 Pontiac
that's right.
at the show today. So not only will it be the only one, but it'll be right-hand drive, which I think a lot of people would find pretty interesting. Oh, Dad, we're off.
Yeah.
Now, what a fantastic background. We can see
Fantastic.
the banked Brooklands circuit in the background. Quite a special photo moment, I think. And we've also got the hood down, which is going to be fun.
It's hot, very hot.
Hot. Got to make the best of the British weather while we can.